Welcome to the world of IoT DIY. Do it yourself kits. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of IoT and how to get started with this IoT DIY kits. IoT is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity that enables these objects to connect and exchange data. IoT DIY kits are designed to help you learn about IoT and build your own IoT projects. These kits come with all the necessary components and instructions to build your own IoT devices. There are many different types of IoT DIY kits available in the market. Some of the popular ones include weather monitoring system using IoT project kit. With this kit, you can develop a smart electronic device that can monitor the temperature and humidity changes in the environment and send the data real time to the remote user. Smart irrigation system using IoT project kit. With this kit, you can build an electronic device that can facilitate automatic switching on or off of water pump based on the moisture level present in the soil. Smart buildings using IoT project kit. With this kit, you can develop a smart building system that can monitor and control various parameters such as temperature, humidity, lighting, etc. Those are just a few examples of what you can do with these IoT DIY kits. The possibilities are endless. So, if you are interested in learning about IoT and building your own IoT projects, then these DIY kits are a great place to start.